In this session, we'll cover the group of different count functions in Excel 2007. As you can see here, there are about 5 different types of count functions that are available. Let's cover the first one, this particular count function here. Let's go to the Insert Function window. We'll bring that up. As you can see here, I've already used the count function, so the most recently used functions are here. So let's go to the first one, the count function. And what the count function basically does is, based on a range of values, it will count how many in that range contain numbers. So I select this range, click OK, and it tells us there are 8. Next is the COUNTA function. Let's bring back our Insert Function window again. We have our COUNTA function here. Click OK. And what the COUNTA function does is it counts the range of cells that are not empty. So, and it tells you right here, there's 9. Okay, so there's only one cell that's empty right here, and cell D6, but the rest are not empty. So let's go to the COUNTBLANK function. Now with the COUNTBLANK function, it basically does the opposite of the COUNTA function. It's going to count the range of cells, which like here, that are empty. And there's only one cell that's empty right here. So let's go to the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function, based on a criteria, we'll go to the COUNTIF function here, it will count the number of cells in your range based on the criteria. So let's say we've selected the cell and we only want to count the cells that have a value of less than 1. So we go less than 1 here. Click OK, and there's only one cell that has less than 1, and it's right here. Now if we want to do multiple criteria, you can use the COUNTIFS function, and basically this gives us multiple criteria to count. So we select the COUNTIFS function here, select OK, and let's say that we want to count based on our access level, and we want to see how many fit the first criteria of partner. Now this is not case sensitive, so you can just type in upper or lower case. But we also want to find out on our second criteria, and our second range is the access level, and we want to do the second range as the access allowed, and we want to see that equal to no. So basically, out of this range, you want to see if we can count how many are partners, and out of this range, how many are partners that have no under the access allowed. So if we eyeball it, there should only just be a count of 1. So we click OK, and here we see that there's just 1 there. So that's a quick summary of the different count functions. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.